Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and safe, staying at your home. So, today I am going to start the remaining part of the fraction chapter. I will explain some examples, then you will start doing the exercise. Okay? Now, number one, I will teach you how to find out the equivalent fraction of any given fractions. Okay, a fraction is given to you and you has been told to find the equivalent fraction. So, find the equivalent fraction. How I would find? Okay, now say I am writing 5 by 8. It's a fraction and you have to find out the equivalent fraction of 5 by 8. So what should we do? We will multiply the fraction with the same number, like 2. We will find this one. If we multiply this fraction with 3, we will find this one. So this and this 15, these both are equivalent fraction of 5 by 8. Okay, this will be the answer. So by multiplying with any number, that this both may be 4, maybe 5, same number you have to multiply with the numerator as well as with the denominator. You will find the equivalent fraction. Okay, now number 2, convert the improper fraction. If you are given any improper fraction, you have to convert the improper fraction to mixed fraction. You will know how to find or convert the improper fraction to the now you all know what is called the improper fraction and what is mixed fraction. Improper fraction like 19 by 4. This is a improper fraction because here the numerator is greater than the denominator. So it's a improper fraction. How to convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction? So you have to just divide this numerator with the denominator. Okay, you will find 3 as a remainder. You have to put the remainder here and this denominator will be the same. So the answer will be this one. This is the mixed fraction of the fraction 19 by 4. So this is the way you can convert the improper fraction to the mixed fraction. Okay, now how to convert the given mixed fraction. You have given a mixed fraction, you have to convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction. Now let's take a mixed fraction like 5. This one is mixed fraction. Why mixed fraction? I have already taught you what is called the mixed fractions with a whole number and a fraction is called the mixed fractions. So this mixed fraction, if we want to convert in improper fraction, what we have to do? We have to do this. What is now this? We have to multiply the whole number with the denominator and then add the numerator. So we'll get so the answer will be 23 by 4. 5 4s are 20 plus 3. 23 and the denominator will be the same. So answer is 23 by 4 is the improper fraction of this mixed fraction. So this is the way you can convert the mixed fraction into the improper fractions. Okay.